A new Israeli scientific research has found out that snoring intensity at night is indirectly related to the severity of the sleep apnea syndrome. The sleep apnea is usually characterized by recurrent pauses in breathing during sleep, potentially increasing the risk of strokes and other ailments. Sleep apnea is still greatly misunderstood by the medical community, although research is ongoing. Till today, science has mainly relied upon patients' reports regarding the intensity of their snores. In this particular research, snores of more than 3,000 people were measured by decibel meters at sleeping labs.